afternoon, everyone. Let's all welcome the star of Kidzuna, Lala Chan. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Kidzuna. Let's dance together with Lala Chan. Let's follow Lala Chan at the event area, but for now, let's dance. In 3, 2, 1. Very good. Ayan, ang galing naman nila ako siya. Alright, yung mga nasa bubble area. Hello everyone. Welcome to Kidzuna. Let's say hi Lala Chan. Hi Lala. Ayan, sundan naman po natin si Lala Chan. Kapunta ng event area. So, Narikiri. Hello po. Welcome to Kidzuna. Let's say hi Lala Chan. Hi Lala. Ayan, sundan po natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area. Yung mga nasa toy corner. Hello everyone. Welcome to Kidzuna. Let's say hi to Lala Chan. And let's follow Lala Chan. At the event area, Lala Chan, dito naman sa gilid, sa ating baby corner. Hello po, sundan naman natin si Lala Chan dito sa ating event area. Meron po si Lala Chan inihanda sa inyong game for today. At lahat po kayo iba itong sumali. Punta na kayo dito sa unahan ni Lala Chan. Okay? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ayun, dapat lahat ng kids nandito para happy si Lala Chan. Okay. Taas ang kamay, kids. Taas ang kamay. Taas ang shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Very good. Lala Chan, meron tayong team game dito. And then magpi-play tayo, Lala Chan. Are you ready to play, Lala? Yes, ready na si Lala Chan. Kids, are you ready to play? Ay, hindi pa yata ready ang ating mga kids. Kids, are you ready to play? Yes, ayan. Ready daw sila Lala Chan. But before we start, I am requesting all the guardians sa labas tayo muna ng ating event area so we can maximize the space. Mamaya po, pwede po tayong lumapit kay Lala Chan sa picture taking. And then kids, when I say hi, you will say hello. Hi! Gusto ko malakas pa. Hi! Very good, kids. So before we start, magpapakilala muna kami. We are the eventing at Kidzuna Legazpi. My name is Kuya Ron. Together with Ate Da, Ate Bal, and of course, our very own, the 5 years old pink squirrel from Japan, Lala Chan. Say hi, Lala Chan. Hi, Lala Chan. The high five, Lala Chan, sa ating mga kids. High five. Very good, Lala Chan. Lala, anong game natin ngayon? Ay, hindi pa. Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. Ipakita mo sa kanila yung ating gagawin before mag-play. Ayun, nakita niyo si Lala Chan. Sabi ni Lala Chan, magda-dance muna tayo. Okay, Lala Chan? Ready ka na ba, Lala, mag-dance? Yes, ready kayo, kids. Are you ready to dance? Yes, okay. The first step, Lala, is clap your hands. Clap. 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 Very good. Left and right, up and down. Okay, next, Lala, is stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Ayan, very good, Lala Chan. Ready na sila at ready ka na din, Lala Chan. So let's start. In 3, 2, 1, clap. Clap your hands, Lala Chan. Side, side. Get ready to sway. Ayan, wait tayo, wait. Very good, left and right. Okay, one more. Get ready to clap in 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, clap. Okay, one more. Now stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Very good. Now let's sway side to side.
Swing your arms.
Okay, very good. And shake, shake, shake.
And sing with me.
One more. Very good. And sway. Very good. Okay. Let's say hooray. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Hooray! Ayan, Lala Chan, nagagaling naman ang ating mga kids. Now, please sit down. Sit down tayo para sa ating demonstration. So, ang game po natin ngayon, Lala, is Tag of War. Tag of War ang lalaroin natin ngayon. So, tuturuan tayo ni Ate Bal at ni Ate Da kung ano ang ating game for today, okay? So dito, meron tayo ditong rope. Ano po ito? Ano po ito? rope. This is a rope. Meron tayo ditong pink na marker. Anong color ng marker natin? Anong color po? Very good. This is a color pink marker. Ang gagawin po natin, magka-count ako ng 3, 2, 1 at sasabihin ko pull. Saka natin hihilain yung ating rope. Ayan, example. 3, 2, 1, pull! Ayan, ganyan po ang gagawin natin. Hihilain natin ng malakas na malakas. Pag napunta sa kagrupo nyo, yung ating marker, meron kayong 1 point. Ilang points daw po? Ilang points po? 1 points. Very good. At syempre, kailangan natin maka 2 points para manalo tayo sa game natin at tag of war. Pero lalatsahan, bago tayo mag-start? Okay, for our safety reminders, no pushing. No pushing. Wala po magtutulakan. And second, lala is no jumping. Wala po tatalon. And last, nilalatsahan, hold it up firmly. Ayan. Hawakan ng mabuti at hilain ng malakas na malakas. And then, syempre, lalatsahan ang pinaka-importante, manalo-matalo lahat po tayo dito sa Kidzone na ay panalo. Okay, naintindihan po si Lalatsahan? Okay, now please stand up. And group yourself into 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's make 2 groups for Team A and Team B. Lalatsan, dito tayo lalatsan sa Team A natin. Arms forward. Very good. Team A, sabihin natin, go Team A! Go Team A! Dapat malakas na malakas. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, ang hina naman, lalatsan. Isa pa, dapat malakas na malakas. 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, nahihiya sila. Ikaw na lang ate mag-share para sa kanila. Team B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kulang na isa. Team B, sabihin nga ninyo, go Team B. 3, 2, 1, go. Ay, mga mahihain ng ating mga kids for today. So, ate Bal, ikaw na lang ang mag-share para sa kanila. So, now, let's follow Lalatsan at the ball area. Doon tayo maglalaro kasi para mas safe. Okay, Ate Da and Ate Bal, i-cheer ninyo ang inyong mga team. Okay, dahan-dahan lamang po, please. Do not break the line. Arms forward. Ayan, go Team A. Go Team B. Ayan, dahan-dahan lang po. Team A, dito kayo sa right side. And syempre, left side naman ang ating mga Team B. Ayan, lahat na po dito kay Lalatsan. Okay, please move forward. Lapit na natin si Lalatsan. Forward pa naman sa Team A. Okay, ready ka na ba Lalatsan? Ayan na gagawin natin. Ibubulang yung ating row. Pag sinabi ko na, pull. Okay? Ayan, syempre natin mga partners. Kaya kapag partners, so bibigyan natin sila ng mga sharing material. Sabi pinabigyan natin yung ating mga parents ng ating pag-cheer. Please move forward. Thank you. Alright, natin na natin ba? Kayo magbibigay pa. Sabihin natin sila. Ayan ang mga partners na mga partners na Team A. Ayan sa round 1 ang nanalo ay si Team A. Yes! Congratulations to the 1 point. Sabi ko kanina, dapat mga 2 points ito. Nanalo tayo sa second round. Okay, natin take the TV. We have a second round. Kailangan na mo kayo. Okay. Team A. Are you ready, Team A? Are you ready, Team A? Yes, ready now, Team A natin. Okay. Team B. Are you ready, Team B? Yes, partners, are you ready? Yes, let's start now. Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, kids, you ready? Are you ready? Ready po yan ang ating mga kids. Kids, are you ready? Yes, parents, are you ready? Let's start outside. Round 3, 2, 1, go! Go! 1, 2, 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, very good. Okay, let's go to the action game. Another for our Team A. Yes, you have the point. Kaya pala naman go for your Team A. Ang lahat tayo dito sa doon ay panalo. So, lalasabi na tayo sa Team B natin. Team B, raise your hands. Team B, raise your hands. And then give Team A 5 thumbs and then say very good after the clap. Alright? In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Alright, now let's do naman sa kabila. Team A, raise your hands. And then give Team B at 3 claps. Okay? 3 claps and then say good job after ng clap natin. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Alright, now let's do tayo. Aking ibig very for the surprise. Ayan, for surprise tayo si Alan Chan. Dahil nag-date kayo dito kasama si Alan Chan. Okay, dahil po. Okay, Alan Chan. Are you ready, Alan Chan, for the surprise? Okay, hands up and shake, shake, shake. Get ready, everyone. Ayun, dahan. Ready ka na ba, Lala Chan? Yes, kids, are you ready, kids, for the surprise? Are you ready? Okay, yes. Get ready, Lala Chan, to dance your final dance. Love is a treasure. Okay, slowly up your head and slowly down. Get ready to jump. In 3, 2, 1, jump. March. Very good. Now, and march. And jump. Okay, down. Now, side to side. Get ready to shake your hands. In 3, 2, 1, shake. Make away. Now, touch your shoulders. Touch your head. And let's jump. And wave. Make a circle. Make a pitch. And march. Let's jump and jump. Now wave, 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 mushy. To the other side, now boys. There you go, now let's bend the knees. Touch your heart. And turn around. Now let's jump, 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 jump. And march, march, and march. March along. Stop. Very good kids, palakpakan naman natin yung ating mga sarili. Now please sit down. Nandito na ang surprise ni Lala Chan sa inyo. Okay, let's open the box, Lala Chan. I-open na ba natin, Lala? Yes, okay, let's count. 3, 2, 1. And let's say, surprise! Ayun, dapat malakas o surprise. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo. 3, 2, 1. Surprise! Ayun, Lala Chan, bigyan mo na sila ng kanilang mga giveaways. Okay, balik tayo dito kay Lala Chan. Magkakaroon tayo ng group picture taking kasama po si Lala Chan. Okay, sit down tayo, sit down. Ayan, upo lang po tayo katabi ni Lala Chan. Okay, harap kayo dito kila mami and daddy. Now, raise your balloons. Raise your balloons. And then, when I say kids, Luna, everybody will shout, hooray! Alright? Sumigaw tayo ng hooray. Okay? Practice nga tayo. In 3, 2, 1, kids, Luna! Hooray! Dapat malakas na malakas. Okay? Parents and guardians sa gitna tayo para mas maganda po ang kuha natin. Kids, sabay-sabay tayo. In 3, 2, 1, kids, Luna! Ayan, dapat i-wave yung balloon. I-wave, i-wave. Ayan, isa pa. Malakas na malakas. In 3, 2, 1, kids, Luna! Hooray! And smile po sa mga camera nila, mommy and daddy. Alright, Lala Chan, it's time for your message. Ayan, dito ka na sa harapan. Ano ang gusto mong sabihin sa ating mga kids ngayong araw? Ay, yes, ano po? Okay, kids. Nag-enjoy pa kayo today? Nag-enjoy po ba? Opo, kasi si Lala Chan nag-enjoy din. Sino ang gusto mag-birthday? Kasama si Lala Chan. Taas ang kamay. Ayan, lahat naman siguro. That is why we are inviting all the parents and guardians na magpabuti na po ng party dito sa amin sa Kids Luna. Ayan po, para po sa more information, punta na lamang kayo sa counter area or mag-reach out sa ating mga friendly staff. Okay, kids? May pupuntahan na si Lala Chan na birthday party. So now, let's say, bye Lala Chan! Ayan, magkita-kita po ulit tayo bukas ng 3:15 ng hapon para sa sports activity kasama si Lala Chan. So, bye everyone! Thank you so much for joining us today. Okay, mga gusto po magpa-picture sa trampoline area na lang po tayo.